Hello, my name is Nicholas Somas, Product Manager for Oracle BI Publisher. This demo is an overview of Data Model Editor, a graphical user interface for creating data models, and the benefits that it provides. BI Publisher reports are built on top of data models. A data model stores the instructions, in other words the logic and queries, that are needed to extract and combine data from data sources. Data models are independent catalog objects and are shareable across reports. BI Publisher supports a wide range of data sources. Data models can include multiple data sets that can bring together data from different data sources. As mentioned earlier, the data that go into a report are often stored in different systems. A BI Publisher data model is a separate catalog object that stores the instructions for extracting and processing data from one or multiple data sources, including flat files. For example, this data model combines data from BI Server, the Oracle database, and target cells that reside in an Excel spreadsheet. Data sets can be unrelated, independent blocks of information, such as the budget data set and actual data set in this data model, or they can be linked together using one or more bind variables to create hierarchical data structures. As a result, you can issue parallel queries across heterogeneous data sources. You can join and process data at the source, thus leveraging the power of the underlying systems. And you can combine and structure information stored across heterogeneous systems after the data is extracted from the source by leveraging middle-tier resources. BI Publisher supports a wide range of data sources. The BI Publisher data engine can extract data from a wide range of databases that support a JDBC connection, such as the Oracle database and the BI Server, OLAP data sources such as Essbase, Microsoft Analysis Services, and SAP BW. It can accept data from web services, XML data files. This could be the output of any process or application that can produce data in a well-structured XML format. It can extract data from Excel files and a variety of other data sources. Each data set stores the information needed for extracting data from a single data source. For example, here are the details to get data from an Excel file that resides on the server. Besides being able to bring together data from different systems, data sets from the same or different data sources can be linked together based on one or more common key columns to create hierarchical master detail data structures. This provides two key benefits, both of which are critical when doing high volume document generation. It reduces the size of the resulting XML data file that gets processed when documents are being generated, and it allows you to structure data to match the layout of data in the final report output to reduce the amount of data processing when documents are being created. Linking data sets together is as easy as dragging and dropping, matching key columns from one data set to another. Data Model Editor also includes an expression editor for creating new elements to calculate information not present in the data source. Expressions let you create calculated values if the underlying data sources either don't provide the exact data you want or cannot perform the calculations you need because data reside in different systems. This allows for greater flexibility and reduces dependencies on the underlying information sources. Information not stored in the source systems can be calculated by the data engine at runtime after the data is extracted. Data Model Editor provides many other features. Use the Structure tab to define XML tag names that are short and abbreviated which reduces the size of the resulting XML data file. You can also define business-friendly display names for column names that are defined in the data source. There are several reasons why you want to do this. Short XML tag names reduce the size of the XML data file, which results in faster document generation and improved performance. Display names are used by the layout tools, template builder and layout editor, and are the names shown to users when they create report layouts. Data models can include other components that can help users navigate data. For example, parameters are used to filter data when running or scheduling reports. BI Publisher supports several parameter types. The menu parameter type must be associated with a list of values for selection. The menu setting options are for specifying whether users can select all values and what value is passed to the parameter when the user selects all. Parameters make a data model usable for a wide range of reports. For example, a data model can be designed to include a large number of parameters. Report developers can select to show a subset of these parameters in a specific report and use default values and hide the remaining ones from the end users. List of values provide a drop-down list or menu for selecting what values are passed to parameters at runtime. For short list of known values that don't change over time, for example accuracy values, you can define a static list of names and value pairs. Fixed data list of values eliminate the need to issue a query against the data source, thus reducing the load on the transactional systems. For long list of values that change over time, you can use a SQL query to retrieve the list of values from a source. For improved performance, when using SQL query type list of values, select cache results, provided the list of values does not change very frequently, and use a JNDI connection whenever possible to take advantage of connection pooling. Data Model Editor also provides an interface to run data models for testing and generating sample data. Sample XML data is required for using the layout tools, template builder, and layout editor for designing report layouts. There are two key reasons why generating and saving sample data with each data model is required. It reduces the burden on the transactional systems during the reports and layout design phase, and users can download sample data and use it to design report layouts using Template Builder for Microsoft Word and other tools in offline mode. This concludes the data model overview demo. For more information about Oracle BI Publisher, please visit our product page on OTN. Thank you.